welcome back to this week's vlog. So this week I'm finishing up the little Chihuahua commission. Added some tan on the back with an airbrush, just a really light sort of coating. I don't know if you can tell too well on this camera. And then I'm just going to add some little whiskers, and then it should be just about finished. And I can take some photos and then send her on the way home. Yeah, so that's a cute little one. So that is pretty much done. Sewing up my little unicorn, sewed up the front bit, and then I'll have to add some polyfill and sew the rest of it up. But in the meantime, I am going to try and sculpt the feet for the flying fox, so I can finally mold them and cast them and then get started. There's another technique that I want to try for the wings, but I want to make sure I've got the right sizing first, just in case I like them. And I think that's pretty much what's on the agenda for this week. It depends how much of the flying fox I can get done, and also the unicorn to get done before I start working on the shoe bill again. But yeah, I still need to source the faux fur for that one. But yeah, looking good. I just really want to get it finished. You never know, I might make it and then like it too much, and then I'm kind of sick of seeing it, to be honest. So I spent a lot of time on that jaw to come up with something that that I liked and that I thought worked well. But yeah, so I think I'm going to needle felt the rest of it for the body. I think that would work well. Yeah. Yeah, so then I can start thinking about new dolls. And I might take another commission after the flying fox. I do want to make a flying fox for my shop as well, so I'll probably do 2. Yeah, and then I'm thinking a regular coloured one. I'll have to think about it. But anyway, I guess I'll get on with the week. I'm gonna end the vlog for this week, but I got a fair bit done. So I sent the white Chihuahua off to their home, so that's done. So the videos and stuff will be coming up. I think I might put the sculpting the head one over on my Patreon, just because there's already one on my YouTube anyway, so I might make this one like an exclusive Patreon one. So they are my $5 and up tiers, and the link is in the description if you want to join. I just had a printable go up as well, so that's free over there for $5 and up as well, and you get access to all the previous month's printables. In terms of the unicorn, so I trimmed the unicorn quite a bit, so all I really need to do is add some faux fur to the face, and might sit back, have a look at it, see if anything else needs to be added. I don't know, I'll I don't know, investigate and see what I think may need to be added. But yeah, I don't know, pretty happy with the way it's turning out. It's got a cute little face, so it would be interesting to see what it looks like once all of the faux fur has been applied. So that should be available in the coming weeks or two. So I'm wanting to put my Luna Moth up this month, this week, this Friday. So I would like to test out the stickers at some point this week as well before I put it up, but my patrons will get early access to any of my work that I put up anyway, so yeah, so they'll get early access I think on Wednesday or so. Did a fair bit of sculpting as well, so that was mainly the most of my week was finishing up the sculpts for, well, the sculpt for the flying fox feet. So they're ready to be molded. It's going to be a little bit of a difficult mold, I think, so of course. So I'll have to yeah, think of the best way to do the mold, and then I can start pouring it this week too, hopefully. So I think I'm going to do the mold around here, cut it up here I think, and see. We'll see what happens. Might need to put some vents in it or something as well. So that's for this week. Yeah, I think that's pretty much what I've been doing. So once that flying fox is being molded, I'll cast two casts in it and test it out, the mold, how it works and stuff, and then I'll make 2 flying foxes, one for customer and one for a shop, and then I can start working on my shoe bill. I know it's not a vlog without a shoe bill cameo. So yeah, that's the plan for this week, I think. It's not too over excessive either, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, thanks for my patrons for supporting me. I really appreciate it. So a new printable will go up next month, and I'm getting my watercolor packs together as well, so hopefully have them finished soon. And yeah, like I said, patrons have had early access, and then it will go up in my shop. But I'll do more information on that when it comes closer. So yeah, you can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and my shop creaturesnat.com. Everything's in the description box down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.